Guys, welcome to the Dad Gardener. I'm your host Jace Bowen, and today we're going to talk about rhubarb. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is collect all these seeds.
There's a lot.
It sure is.
There's 100. There's there and down there.
I'm going to fill up a bag of seeds.
Yes, for the birds.
Not for the birds.
Daddy.
Alright. We probably will put them away in the shed for a while. We won't grow them straight away.
Nah, it's a maybe.
That's what?
They're going everywhere. They'll probably grow from seed everywhere.
And there's what's going on the ground here.
That'll do.
And there's still lots to go.
Well, I just seen what was behind me. The heaps here.
That's how much has gone on the ground.
Come it back to there. Come it right back. This one.
Lumpy. At the end of the video, can you please subscribe?
And put your thumbs up.
Put your thumbs up and subscribe.
Put your thumbs up.
And thank you for watching. Bye.
So, as you can see, out of the way, champ. Right out of the way, you mongrel. Get out of it. As you can see, we've already pruned the rhubarb back, and we're ready to go. We don't really eat rhubarb. We're not real big rhubarb eaters. But the most important thing is, see here, is you trim the flower stalk back and make a little slit like that so it doesn't fill up with water, and so it doesn't rot your plant. Basically, you could probably divide that plant into, you know, maybe 6 plants, but we're not going to do that. So yeah, alright, thanks for watching today's episode. Please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you keep liking my video, and we'll see you on the next episode. Okay, bye bye.